In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for healthcare, a step-by-step guide. This walkthrough is designed for students, caregivers, and clinicians who want clearer information without risking privacy, and it will help you get the right kind of response for each type of task. First, route your medical research to the correct processing tier. When you're working with quick lookups, like turning dense medical jargon into plain language, building flashcards of anatomical terms, or formatting a clear medication schedule, keep it on the instant tier. It's built for speed, so you get rapid definitions and clean summaries that are easy to reuse. When you need deeper analysis, such as unpacking a complex clinical paper, understanding multi-step biochemical pathways, reviewing detailed case timelines, or cross-referencing potential drug interactions, switch to the thinking tier. This tier focuses on structured reasoning and is better for synthesis. A quick tip: start on instant to frame the problem, then move to thinking to explore the nuances. Next, use the anonymized case study breakdown prompt. Never paste private health records, diagnostic images, full names, or insurance details into a public AI interface. Instead, describe only the relevant variables and symptoms. You can paste this prompt as written, replacing the bracketed section with general descriptors. Act as a clinical research scientist, medical educator, and health communications specialist. I am analyzing a case profile for educational purposes involving an individual experiencing insert symptoms or condition, e.g., chronic lower back tightness and radiating nerve tingling down the left thigh. Provide a structured clinical breakdown, mapping out the relevant anatomical structures involved, common diagnostic questions a specialist might ask, and a summary of current 2026 peer-reviewed lifestyle modifications or physical therapy concepts associated with this profile. Always verify cited sources, and remember, this is educational, not a diagnosis. Then, use the medical jargon translator prompt for clear patient communication. Paste. Act as a patient advocacy director and health literacy expert. Translate the following complex clinical summary into clear, empathetic, and easy to understand language suitable for a patient or family member. Eliminate dense medical jargon. Break the information down into clear sequential steps. Outline the primary action items, and suggest 3 open-ended questions the patient should ask their primary physician during their next follow-up appointment. Here's the text. Insert medical text jargon here. This keeps updates supportive, practical, and actionable. Finally, build preventive routines with the Healthy Habits and Preventive Wellness Plan prompt. Act as a functional longevity specialist, clinical nutritionist, and sports medicine consultant. I want to build a preventive wellness framework focused on insert goal, e.g., improving cardiovascular endurance and optimizing sleep hygiene. Build a structured weekly schedule outlining recommended aerobic zone training guidelines, science-backed evening sleep environment adjustments, and a list of micronutrient-dense whole food categories to focus on, ensuring all targets line up with modern 2026 metabolic health guidelines. Use this as a planning tool and confirm details with your clinician. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next